Today, in this tutorial, we will learn how to make this animation box dynamic. So, first of all, open your code editor. Inside your code editor, go to sections area. Over here, add a new section. I will name it as animation box. Now change the name of your schema, that is animation box. Then add presets value to your schema. Then presets basically have two parameters. First one is its name, which is animation box. And second one is category. So I'm again naming it as animation box. Now above your schema, over here, place your HTML code. So this is our animation. This is our HTML code for animation box. Now over here, you can see the first thing we need to make dynamic is this new trend. So I will just copy it from here. Now inside settings of our schema, I will make a new entry of type text. So over here, write type, there is text, then label, and label would be add small heading. Then I will set its ID as SNHD, and at last its default value, which I just copied. And then in place of this, I will write section.settings.id, that is SNHD. Now for this women collection main title, I will just copy this value, then again add a new entry to your schema that would be of same text type. Type would be text, then label, it would be add title, and then its ID, that is TITLE, and so add comma here, and at last it would be default. And we will replace this with section dot settings dot title. Now the next part is this subtitle. So again I'll just copy it, and inside our schema I will add a new one. Again type would be text, its label would be subheading, and ID, it would be SBHD. I think it's better to copy rather than writing again and again. Well, now it's last default, and we are done with it. Now just replace this with section dot settings dot subheading. At last, it's I guess shop now button text is this button text. So for that, again, I just copying it this time. It would be button text, and I will set its ID as bdn.txt in label, and its default would be shop now. We will repeat. So first of all, just section dot settings dot bdn text, and to make this link dynamic, I write section dot settings dot bdn link. Now just add schema for this. Again, just copy it instead of writing again and again. Instead of button text, I will write button link. Change its ID also, and by default I will write this hash. Now we're done with almost everything. The only thing that is left is to change our background image. For that, over here, instead of this URL, we will make this source link dynamic. So for that, just go to settings, add new entry. I'm just adding it at the top of empty, that is empty. So make sure to add comma over here. Yeah. So now I will just write type could be image picker because we have to make our image dynamic. Then its label would be select background image. Then for ID it would be img. And over here we will write section dot settings dot img. Now just save it. Here I am getting an error, so if I go to my schema where my ID is title here, over here I have just entered wrong value, wrong spelling of default. Just save it again. Now you can see that there is no error. Also, where we just added our image URL, over here we will add a filter that is img URL, and we will just give its value as 1200 cross 1200. Now again save it. Go back and open your customizer. Inside our customizer, if we go down, add section, just search for the section you just added. It was animation box. Just select it. You can drag it wherever you want it. I just want it below this product section. Now if we open it, you can see that I can change the values of my headings and also anything. Now over here we can select our background image. Now if I select it, so you can see that it's done. Now just save it.